Hello everybody! Today we show you how to make chicken chow mein. Slice one big breast into small pieces. Hold firm breast down. Transfer breast to the bowl. Marinate 1 tablespoon light soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Gently massage breast until fully covered with moisture. Cut red bell pepper in half. Remove the seeds. Thinly chop into small pieces. Do the same with yellow pepper if you like. Chop onion in half. Slice into small pieces. For the sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix about until thick and sticky. To a smoking hot wok, add your peppers and onion. Mix about for 2 minutes. Then push your peppers to the side of the wok. Drizzle in some oil and add in handful of bean sprouts. Mix everything together. For another 30 seconds. Then remove vegetables from wok. Now to smoking hot wok, add in your chicken, voluptuous breast that you prepared earlier. Gently spank, toss and turn your moist breast. Then set to the side. To hot steamy wok, add in your long thick noodle. Then add in your vegetables and slip in the breast. Toss and turn. Drizzle your sticky sauce all over. Gently pat, turn, toss, rub, harder, flip at the end and serve. Lovely jubbly. Ooh.